81st annual session of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad begins. Gaikangam emphasizes need for good literature to guide the future generation. Drugs worth more than rupees 50 lakhs seized from 6 persons, including one woman from MG Avenue. People continue protests in several parts of the valley demanding ILP in Manipur. And people hold convention on scheduled tribe status in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Today, 81st annual session of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad began today at Maharaj Chandra Kirti Hall at Palace Compound. In his speech on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam emphasized the role of good literature in shaping the future of the society. The minister urged the writers to guide the younger generation with their good writings and help them shape their future. Gaikangam maintained that good books and good writers have been able to influence a society in various stages of human history. He also emphasized the role of writers in guiding the people in the prevailing situation in Manipur. The Deputy Minister lauded the contribution of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad in the society and urged it to play a greater role in guiding the future generation. The event was attended by Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, several well-known writers and people from various walks of life.
With all respect, last respect Pirakanda, Loyaka, Patanatorga. Mother Pangtok Matung, the Indiana, a Colpona Chamnaga, Marale, lady was a book toxi. Hydras and Sim share, idea of positive approach. Imungamada, Mitarama toilet, Imunda, Nipama Kanga, Nipi Makanga, Garantore. Mana, a soil Bakaton Madigi, entire innocent family members were victimized. Lekai tan thokpa yung may thadokpa diba picture yauna awa people say is it justice or not hai bisa khanpat thoina marale mi do chido punishment people kari kaide.
Also speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar praised Manipuri Sahitya Parishad for its role in influencing the society in the positive and right way. The minister also stated the appeal for increase of annual grant to rupees 5 lakh and sanctioned of publication grant and rare book grant are legitimate and the state cabinet will take up the matter soon. A seminar on the life and work of the renowned writer B. Jayanta Kumar Sharma was also held as a part of the event.
Tongan issues OIBA, Masida, Ayibasina, a forefront, Lake Bangatan, and my own Zoom Bangatan. Nasingasima, Quiki Manipur, the Tenari issues Kayama, which is CLP Matang OIBA, scheduled tribe, owned by Matang OIBA. Nataka Tongan issues Kayama, OIBA, Masida, Ayibasina, to do Henduna, putting things in Viraga, Masida, my own Zumbada, Achova, Todang. Low Lobby, Aduga Masi, Akoi, proper direction ama, Pina no one of Matamda, Yamna Chor, Todang, Lay Hedana, a Tanzania.
Drugs worth rupees 50 lakh 41,000 were seized from 6 persons, including one woman near City Heart Hospital at MG Avenue yesterday afternoon. A team of Inspector of Customs Headquarters Preventive Unit Shillong and Deputy Commissioner Customs Division Imphal seized 5,041 tablets of amphetamine, popularly known as World is Yours, from 6 persons, including one woman. The arrested persons are identified as T.H. Namzalam Mate from Chandal, Vijay Das from Karimganj, Assam, now staying at Thangal Bazar, Manoranjan Modak from Japailguri, West Bengal, Ajit Kumar Das from Kasar, now staying at Sagolban, Moirang Lairak, Binod Prasad from Bihar, now at Chekon Awang Lairak, and Amar Kumar Das from Kolkata, now at Soibam Lekai. The combined team of Inspector of Customs Headquarters Preventive Unit, Shillong and Deputy Commissioner Customs Division, Imphal conducted an operation following a tip-off at MG Avenue yesterday and nabbed the 6 persons. A case has been registered against them and under the Narcotics, Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. Protesters held sit-ins at various parts of the valley demanding implementation of inner line permit in the state. As a part of JCILP's phase-wise sit-in and a roadblock for an hour they demanding to convert the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly to an act, Kaisampa to Hyangtang stretch of Mayay Lambi was blocked by residents along the stretch. They held sit-ins at various places. Young students of Tolcho Ibeton Memorial Academy also staged a sit-in and shouted slogans for the implementation of inner line permit system and prohibition of non-locals from casting vote and contesting election. Residents used logs, poles, furniture and bamboo to enforce the short blockade and prevent anyone from moving on the road stretch. The road block caused sudden traffic chaos on other important roads of the city. Later, protesters formed human chains and shouted slogans against Okram Ibovi government and concluded the 1-hour roadblock. Many elderly women gathered at Kaisampa Junction around 1 p.m. and stopped vehicles and passerby on Mayay Lambi Road. They also chanted slogans like "Save the indigenous people," "Don't include outsiders in the voter list," and "Outsiders should not contest elections," and convert the 3 ILP bills into act. People of Kairao Bitra in Imphal East protested in support of the demand for ILP. Kairao Bitra Punba Maira Paibi Lub expressed dissatisfaction over the lack of initiative on the part of the government for the conversion of the 3 bills into act. A member of the Lub alleged that the government does not act unless the people agitate.
JCIF na sanction liba khongtang ase hangriba wa aikhoina sanction kigani bill lahum pass tawkiba ado ek to onthokpiu garigi damakta table da taduna thamalibano aikhoina phangriba da askan ba khongchang changchan duna mayam gi mating adom JSP gi mating pangba ngangani sanction liba khongchang khutima aikhoi gi kairao apunba maina paibina saru yagani.
Protesters held sit-in at Thoubal Athokpam Bazaar today demanding ILP in the state. They urged the government to convert the 3 bills passed by the Assembly to an act. A seminar on ILP was held at Brajanath Mandap Yai School. Speaking at the seminar organized by JAC Yai School, JCILP's convener Ratan Komtram questioned the silence maintained by ministers and MLAs of the state even when the population of locals and non-locals have become almost equal. He was apprehensive of the population of non-locals when railways reached the state. Ratan also said the state is like a sinking boat and it is unfortunate that some people are making the situation worse. People's Convention on Scheduled Tribe Status in Manipur is on at Iboyaima Sumangli Lasangland. The convention is organized by Protection and Preservation Committee, Manipur. People from different parts of the state and representatives of civil society organizations took part in a discussion moderated by Dr. Arambam Lokendra. Amuko President and Convener of Protection and Preservation Committee, Manipur, Dr. Waimani Kuman said the people are aware of the present status of scheduled tribes in the state. He said the convention aims at clearing the confusion among the people about a demand for inclusion of the Meitei in the scheduled tribe list.
Scheduled tribe lairiba mayam sigi development makoigi standard of living si akoni yengor kanda masi karai phawda develop tawre scheduled tribe singi ar karai phawda tawti have ja koin unaraba khangnaraba ngatani koi central government accept tawren khalasi central government accept tawgibda koi second class of scheduled tribe to lekne hana lairiba status scheduled tribe ta already lairaba tribe singdu ka koiga manana status leo habdi yarway an masda tongan ba akoi ethnic community singoiba different opinion, different interest मैम लागा अमुक एकोगी problem से हैंकल कतरा है बच्ची एकोई ना अकी बले बिदगी मासिदी people के platform दे पुथोगा खाना मन सुंगनी है ना मन पुथोक सरपन
Chingmairong Yengkhoiba Menjor Mamang Makhalei Kai Singlup demanded the government to take action against corrupt officials including SDC of Settlement Office of Revenue Department, Haingang Circle, who are involved in issuing illegal allotment order and Jambabandi. Addressing media persons today at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of Chingmairong Yengkhoiba Menjor Mamang Makhalei Kai Singlup, Arambam Kuber, stated that 2 years ago, they wrote to the Chief Minister, Deputy Commissioner and Sub-Deputy Collector seeking permission to construct community hall and a pond at Dak number 316 under Laipam Sifai. He said, meanwhile, Aribam Ibomcha started building structure on the particular plot. When they tried to get information on the matter through RTI, the SDC concerned stated that no allotment order was issued under Dak number 316 and Dak number 312. At the same time, the same SDC has issued illegal Jababandi without allotment order of the said land to Aribam Ningol, Kongbrai Latpam Ongbi, Inautombi and Hidang Mayum Purnachandra Sarma. He further stated that even though the Chief Minister has directed authorities concerned for necessary action regarding the land allotment, the SDC concerned has failed to provide detailed report. If the SDC fails to submit the report within 5 days, they will close down SDC office at Famkunal.
Mahang sian jathoga aidagi atopa mioi amada sinuki wangmada leba mi amabu legai rijap toba mafam sida yum sagalanna aidagi pithokpa ana hadi khangena daba saba sini mana tori thabak se masi pende maramaduna mahasi akoigi hangangi SDC ama wena elafam sipai elben lafam sipai sigi wena mahasi akoi thambiranu karumba koina numin mangani jigi manungda karumba SDC na community hall saba sigi report se DC na kauri base masi matam jan thagapi de bataragadi akoi di SDC office so lon gani
Lamkang Naga Ver Kungpung tribe has appealed to the Maira Paibi and Youth Club of Kwakatel Takel Laikai to extend support so that SK Jont of Purompanta village in Chandal district and his wife get compensation. Addressing the media persons today at Manipur Press Club, President of Lamkang Naga Ver Kungpung tribe, DP Francis, stated that on the night of May 8th, SK Jont and his wife were physically assaulted by a mob at Kwakatel Takel Laikai when they are returning from Churachandpur. He also stated their vehicle was damaged and 4 purses with Rs 80,000 and ATM cards were taken away. An FIR has been registered at Imphal Police Station in connection with the incident and 4 persons have been to court. The Viva Voce test for the successful candidates in the written examination for recruitment of constable male in police department for Thoubal and Imphal West district would be resumed. It will be held at 1st Manipur Rifles from May 18 to 24th from 9 a.m. for Thoubal district, for May 25 to 31st for Imphal West, from June 3rd to 6th for remaining candidates of all hill districts and the remaining candidates of the valley districts from June 7 to 10. Candidates are bring original certificates along with photocopies. All Manipur written test successful candidates of Police Constable Male 2013 batch has called off the proposed band on the national highways. Speaking at a press meet at Kurai Lai Wangma, JAC's Joint Secretary Namai Rakpam Subhas said the decision to call off the band was taken after the government decided to resume the Viva Voce and declare the results for the same by the 2nd week of June. He appealed to the authorities concerned to keep to their promise and complete the 2013 batch recruitment first.
That 14 May 2016 ahing nongai dagi National Highway da toten bal taune torambadu that 14 May 2016 gi numita sarkarna wadhauriba baiba boss candidate singi matam lepi grakpana maram oiraga matam kharagi oina handoksare wadhauriba baiba boss asi loiraga matungda region adu June gi 2nd week faubagi manungda haidokpigani haibagi thajaba pibikhiba adu busu manghan bidanaba haijari.
Impact News.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc Supna Tagilupa Lak Animakai Piba car Sigi features Singdi ground clearance 185 mm, space 222 liters, power steering, drive computer, mileage 25.14 km per liter, immobilizer, passenger class warranty. Lupalisang mga khatana book Tobi Hauro, Island Nissan near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kantipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go!
Manipurgi ahanba beautification center mafam sida mahing uring unsa khoiba ariba dakfam phahanba ngami tattoo mole freckle na jingbasu lauthokpa yai hakchang gi ahenba fat pamdaba body gi hair lauthokpa yai ahanba lakpiba 100 customer da skin test amadi doctor consultation lemna hingjagan ngasi mag unabiu Dr. Madhubala Laser Beauty Clinic, MZ Avenue, Imphal.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Differently abled CJ Gurumayum Vivinita Devi passed this year's Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, scoring 76%. Daughter of S.H. Syam Kishore and Rina Kumari from Uripok Achom Laikai, Vivinita was studious since her childhood and plays chess. She passed HSLC examination from Iboton Sana Girls Higher Secondary School, Uripok in 2nd Division. In her Class 12 examination, she got letter marks in 2 subjects, 88% in home science and 84% in geography.
I ngasi kano yorokpasida akoi ma baba amadi akogi oja singna kano tawbi adagi dai gi friend singna I am support tawbi oja singna su ai bu dum phasna kano tawbi iba khotpada ju friend singna ai nang haudra su moi dagi sinba moina ibiba dum tawbi emi ko kai tam ki ngamba phakdim tam gini kana emi duga MPS ga exam gumba thaba ngamba yenge mayam gi ka kai thaba khara tawge khale ai gumba disable or basingi su mogi kanoda ai yauzera ga kai sen bu khotpa tawjage khale.
Finders Group Hauraibi today felicitated Dinah Kumanthim, who bagged the 24th place in the Civil Services Examination 2015 conducted by UPAC. Speaking at the event, Imphal West SP Dr. A.K. Jaljit appealed to the parents to guide their children in shaping their future. He said Dinah's achievement is a matter of pride for the state. Father of Dinah, K.H. Chandramani, Director of Manipur Fire Service and MPTC, was also present at the event. 10 Fingers Group Hauraibi presented gifts to Dinah.
Atumati Chaukochaningai, Manipura Leva, community Kudimak, Chessy, Doit overall young, but Aina Kandavera, 24 eggs, the Antalagidri, and I the Kanze, Aina Kandu. Adu Kanbagidi, IST Mayama Togi Togre, Manipuragi, tribal community, the Gitoko Legre, Toxing the Gisul Legre, Maite, Marta, Adu Atete, Yan Hanba, Quegi Arki. Ihana my team is on the Lucky ranking do Samina Wang a lucky Vanati.
All Manipur Student Guardians Organization Manipur has congratulated Kumanthim Dinah on her success in the UPAC examination. Dinah bagged a 24th place in the Civil Services Examination 2015. One-day free eye camp was held today at Kakwa Pukri Achauba Community Hall. The camp was jointly organized by Kakwa Badminton Association, Kakwa Sorokhaibam Laikai Development Committee and Kakwa Laifrakpam Laikai Development Committee. A team led by CJ Hospital ophthalmologist Dr. Bikram Khoshdam checked patients of all age groups. Dr. Bikram Khoshdam said eyes are one of the most important organs of man and many eye-related ailments occur due to negligence.
I would say once we get the target, life quality is the quality of living. I don't know when section base public section base hospital la aga hitting so namdaba. I don't know when see kurung chawa see camp sida when I am free oina pisha lok vida yamna kana layer ba mayam amasung ina kun ba loina makunjalaga yamna equal service ma piece na depna badagi ngasi see camp se koigi badminton association kawaga na request ro badagi amuk.
District Magistrate Imphal West has prohibited assembly of 5 or more persons and carrying of sticks, stones, firearms or weapons of any description or objects which can be used as offensive weapons under subsection 2 of section 144 of CRPC 1973 in Imphal West from 6 p.m. of May 16 until further orders. 12th Bihar Regiment of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South organized an interaction and security meet at Maibam Lotpakching in Nambol to maintain peace and security in the area today. Chairperson and Deputy Chairperson of Nambol Municipal Committee, Councillors and Pradhan Association of Nambol, Maira Paibi member and ex-servicemen attended the meeting. 4 Assam Regiment of 26th Sector Assam Rifles organized an interaction with hunters from Molcham village and adjoining villages in Chandel district. 12th Bihar Regiment of 9th Sector Assam Rifles also organized a volleyball match at Wangoi on May 13 to strengthen the bond between locals and Assam Rifles and also to promote games and sports. The match was played between 12th Bihar Regiment team and Shantipur team, and Shantipur team won the match. Now some sports news. Football Veteran Welfare Association Mapal Kangjibung have won the 18th Challenge Cup Veteran Football Tournament. In the final match played today, Football Veteran Welfare Association Mapal Kangjibung beat Eastern Kolkata Veteran FC 1-0 to lift the trophy. The winners receive a rolling trophy and a cash prize of Rs 50,000, while the runners-up received a rolling trophy and a cash prize of Rs 30,000. 14 teams, including a team from outside the state, competed in the tournament. 7 young players of the H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy, Tawungkhok, will participate in the upcoming Under-12 and Under-13 football coaching camp being held in Mumbai from June 10th. The camp is organized by Indian Super League Academy, Mumbai. As a part of the 4-year training program, the players would be sent for 6-month foreign tour once in every year, and the academy will sponsor their education up to class 12. The 7 players are among the 18 players who were selected out of 200 players from different parts of the country who participated in the Reliance Foundation Young Champs Selection Camp held from May 2nd to 8 in Mumbai. The 7 players are O. Nikesh, K. Alex, K. H. Jackson, H. Surdas, C. H. Sivalto, H. Thoy and Y. Sanatomba. Manipur Police Sports Club A team lifted the 2nd state-level Konsam Achauba Memorial Men's Regular Event Cash Prize Sepak Takraw Championship Trophy. In the final match played today, Manipur Police Sports Club A beat Manipur Police Sports Club B 21-14, 21-19. On the other hand, SWC Hyanglam Team A won the 2nd state-level Konsam Achau Memorial Junior Girls Regu Event Cash Prize Sepak Takraw Championship. 10 teams took part in the men's event, while 7 teams competed in the junior girls event in the tournament organized by Laipam Kunau Youth Development Association under the guidance of All Manipur Sepak Takraw Association. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Daikangam emphasizes need for good literature to guide the future generation. Drugs worth more than Rs 50 lakh seized from 6 persons, including 1 woman from MG Avenue. People continue protests in several parts of the valley demanding ILP in Manipur. And people hold convention on scheduled tribe status in Manipur.